English Bulldog. English Bulldogs have wrinkled faces and short legs. They are gentle and love relaxing. Munchkin Cat. Munchkin cats have short legs but normal-sized bodies. They are playful and curious. Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are friendly and smart dogs. They love to fetch and swim. Hermit Crab. Hermit crabs live in shells they find. They move sideways and love to dig. Pomeranians are small dogs with fluffy fur. They are lively and love attention. Fancy Mouse. Fancy mice come in many colors. They are small, quick, and curious. Sphinx Cat. Sphinx cats have no fur and wrinkled skin. They love to snuggle to stay warm. Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherds are smart and energetic dogs. They love to herd animals. Turtles have hard shells for protection. They move slowly and like water. Alpacas have soft wool and long necks. They are gentle and make funny noises. Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire Terriers are small dogs with silky fur. They are brave and friendly. Chameleons can change their colors. They have long tongues to catch insects. Dalmatians have spots all over their bodies. They are active and love running. Persian Cat. Persian cats have long, soft fur. They enjoy quiet time and being petted. Cockatiels have bright cheeks and soft feathers. They love to whistle and play. Shiba Inus are small dogs with fluffy tails. They are smart and very energetic. Fancy rats are playful and very clever. They enjoy exploring and solving puzzles. Maine Coon Cat. Maine Coons are large cats with thick fur. They are friendly and love to play. Goldfish are bright and swim smoothly. They live in tanks or ponds. Budgerigars or budgies are small parrots. They love to chirp and mimic sounds.